Okay, so the whiteboard is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
But now we will go for the another concept of that finite automaton. It is called as minimization of finite automaton. How we can go for minimizing the number of states of a finite automaton? We can call that as a minimized finite automaton. So simple thing is that you will minimize the number of states. Will minimize the number of states. So there will be several rules to minimize the number of state in the finite automaton. So first step is you have to make a table. You have to make a table, represent all the transition of the table, uh, and distinguish which one is final state and which one is non-final state. Then you can identify which one is a dead state and dummy state. Just remove the dead state and dummy state. Third thing is that find out which state are unreachable state or inaccessible state. So you have to keep remember those things. You have to find out the dead state or dummy state. Then find out the inaccessible state in accessible states or unreachable states. You have to find out these inaccessible or unreachable states. If you find out this one, you will go for the removal. So what is exactly dead state or dummy state? We know that to satisfy the condition of a DFA, we have added those type of states like your dummy or dead. Then those states are not reachable from the starting state, or those state we cannot reach up to that state from the beginning or start state or initial state. Those states are called as inaccessible state or unreachable state. So we have to eliminate those things. We have to eliminate the dead state and we have to eliminate the unreachable state. Once you eliminate the dead state and dummy state, or you can call that as unreachable or inaccessible state, then you have to find out which one is the final state and which one is the non-final state. Which are a final state and which are the non-final state. The objective of finding the non-final and final is you can distinguish the state whether it is accepted or whether it is rejected. If you can reach up to the final state, then the string is accepted by the machine. If you can reach up to non-final state, the string is not accepted by the finite automaton. Okay, now let us consider an example. We have to check whether we can minimize a finite automaton or not. So I have to draw a diagram like this. This one equal to q0. Okay, so let this value equal to q2. Let this value equal to q1. Okay, on q0 to q1, let the path equal to 0. This state equal to q3. By reading input symbol 1, here the path equal to 0. Okay, here the path equal to 0. Now this one is my q4, and q4 is the final state. On q2, by passing 1, on q3 by passing 1, on q1 by passing 1. On there is a self loop on this state on input symbol 0 and 1. And this one is my finite automaton and it is a DFA. Always remember there is a minimization of a DFA, not minimization of NFA. So for this finite automaton, I have to go to the finding the number of a reduced state, or how can you reduce this finite automaton, how can you minimize this finite automaton. Okay, so to minimize this finite automaton, first I have to find out what are the dead state or dummy state. Now in this finite automaton, Is there any dead state or is there any DOM state? No, there is no dead state or no DOM state. Now I have to check whether it is a inaccessible or unreachable state. Q0 is the initial state. From Q0 I can reach out to Q1. Q1 should not be unreachable. Q2 I can reach out to Q2. Q2 is not unreachable state. Q3, from Q0 I can reach out to Q3. It is not unreachable. Then Q4 I can Q0 I can directly reach out to Q1. Then I can move to Q4. So all the states are reachable. Hence there is no concept of unreachable state in the given problem. Now I have to draw a table. Let the transition table over here. It will be Q cross sigma like this. Input symbol I have to pass. Input symbol equal to 0. Input symbol equal to 1. So I have to begin with the initial state. Which one is initial state? Q0 is the initial state. Q0 is the initial state. On Q0, if I pass 0, it will move to Q1. 1, it will move to Q3. Similarly, if it is Q1, on Q1, if I pass 0, it will move to Q2. On 1, it will move to Q4. Okay. Then on Q2, if I pass 0, it will return back to Q1. On 1, it will move to Q4. Okay. On Q3, if I pass 0, Q3 0, it will move to Q2. 1, it will move to Q4. Good. On Q4, if I pass 0, it will move to Q4. On 1, it will again move to the Q4. Now I have already find this one, Q1 Q3, Q2 Q4, Q1 Q4, then Q2 Q4 and Q4 Q4. So out of which I have to check which having the similar characteristic, then I can go for the merging of these two. Okay. On input symbol B, now you can check, here it will be Q2, here it will be Q2 Q4. Am I clear to all of you? It is Q2 Q4, it is Q2 Q4. Now this behavior of these two number of states are same on input symbol 0 and 1. So you can merge these two states into a single state. That means this Q1 and Q2 will be updated like this. Suppose I have to delete any one of them. Suppose I have to delete this one. I have to make this one. I have to delete this one. Why? Now since the characteristic or behavior of the transition for this state is the same. So whenever the value is Q3, it should be replaced with Q1. So here I can replace with Q1. Any other Q3 is there? No. So it will be not there. So now the state will be, how many number of state will be there? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q4. Then I have to check, is there any other same value or not? Here it will be Q1, Q1, no problem. Here it will be Q2, Q4, Q1, Q4. Here it will be Q4, Q4. Now this one is the reduced state. So how to represent this one? For the reduced state, so Q0 is there. Okay, Q0, then another one is Q1, which is same as Q3. Both are same. Q0, Q1 are same. So I have to represent like this. Another one is Q2. Another one is Q2. Okay. And last one is called as Q4. So which one is the final state of the DFA? Q4. And the same Q4 is the final state over here. Which one is the start state? Q0 is the start state. Q0 will be the start state. On Q0, if I pass 0, it will move to Q1. So Q1 is nothing but this state. On 1, it will be moved to that again same Q1. So I can give a loop over here like 0, 1. Next, on Q1, which is same as Q3, if I pass 0, it will move to Q2. If I pass 1, it will move to Q4. On Q2, if I pass 0, it will return back to this. On 1, it will move to Q4. It will move to Q4 on 1. Okay, on Q4 either it will be 0 or it will be 1. It will be remain on Q4. Now this one is my reduced. This one is my reduced DFA or minimized DFA of the corresponding given DFA. So how many states are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Previously it is 5 number of states. Now this one is reducing the number of states for the finite automaton.